everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to set up email sharing for your simple booklet. This lets your readers send your booklet directly to their contacts with just a few clicks, right from the share section of your Navbar. So we're going to get started here on the simple booklet dashboard, and we're going to select a booklet that we want to update. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Share button. We're going to want to make sure the email option is toggled on. So as you can see, mine already was, but we're going to go ahead and select it again. So as you can see here, we have a live preview drawer that opens up from the right-hand side. And this basically shows you exactly what your readers will be seeing when they click on the Share section of your Navbar. And so it automatically updates depending on the changes that we make over here. So as you can see, when I toggled off the email, boom, disappeared, but now that it's on, it will appear right there. And so we can go ahead here and click the email button in the preview drawer. And this will show us what our readers will experience when they share our booklet. So as you can see, this screen pops up here. And so they can enter the sender's email address here that your recipients will see. And then this is where recipients' email addresses will appear, so they can enter who they're trying to send this email to. And you can send it up to 10 different people. Just separate the emails with commas. And then it automatically defaults the subject to the name of the simple booklet, but you can customize that as well if you want to, or at least your readers can. And then the actual email itself, your readers have the option to put a message in here. Something like, hey, check this out, anything like that. And then your readers also have an option to preview the email before they send it. So if they click on this will give them a better idea of exactly what the email will look like that they're sending out. So you can see it has a cover of the simple booklet itself, along with the title here. And then your message would appear just down here. But yeah, so all your changes will save automatically. When you're done, simply just close the drawer, and your simple booklet is now ready to be shared through email in the share section of your Navbar. Email sharing enhances the action stage of the reader's journey. By letting readers send your booklet with just a click, you empower them to easily spread your content, grow your audience, and increase engagement. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simple Booklet. Thanks for watching.